How to share Google Drive files. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To share Google Drive files, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open Google Drive on your device. Now here you will find all the files that you have saved on a Google Drive. So here, find the, let me go to the home and let's find any file that I can share. So here let me share this very first file. So to share it, just tap on this three dot icon located on right hand side of each file. So tap on it and then you will see this pop up. So here you will find this option on top of your screen to share. So tap on it and then all you need to do is just enter the email address of the person whom you want to share. So here let me enter. So just type in the email address. If you have already sent something to the user previously, then you will find the email here, or else just type the full email address, then tap on email. Then you will find this option. So you will find these options. So what permission to give them? So editor, commenter. So if you tap on this option, you will find three different options: editor, commenter, viewer. If you just want them to view the file, then simply tap on viewer, or else you can tap on editor. Editor allows them to like upload into the files if they want, update, upload, delete, or anything. So if you want them to notify, just tap and make sure this thing is ticked on, or else just remove it. And if you want to notify them, you can simply type the message like any specific message you want to share, like this is file for something. Then after you are done with everything, just tap on this send icon. So this one. So within few seconds, that file will be successfully shared to the person. So here you can see access updated. So there you go. So this is how you can share files on Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.